Hello! Hi, y'all! So today, I'm back. I'm back from the dead. So I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. And I'm gonna be updating with my life. So yeah. My brows are uneven, but are we gonna do anything about it?
No.
So Shopee 11.11, kadarating lang niya, and napadaan lang siya.
And so is my money with it.
You know, I literally just said sa sarili ko ng birthday ko, I would save money. And then dumating yung Shopee 11.11 and I failed. So, just like no, not November, I failed it. JK, I haven't failed that yet. So, since kadarating lang ng Shopee 11.11, so, I think it's just right to show you lahat ng pinagbibili ko. Because,
I want to.
I literally spent all of my money on makeup. So, I got, like, all of these, and, I'm gonna be using it today. So, for primer, I'm gonna be using 2 because, I'm that bitch. So, I'm using this Max Factor Miracle Prep primer. It is pore minimizing and mattifying. And it has SPF, which is I'm scared because it might give me flashbacks.
What's
and
up?
The next one is this. Is this Fashion 21 primer spray. Wait, what the fuck? Hindi ko ito nabasa. May alcohol siya. Ba't rin kami naman ako ng alcohol? So, no big deal. So, expected ko dito is that it'll be a bougie packaging because, first of all, I paid 500 for this. Or less. And this is what I get. Like, do y'all see that? Para siyang I'm not gonna continue with that because baka may mga batang nanonood. Next, I'll be going in with my foundation. This is the Flormar Smooth Touch foundation. It also has SPF. I bought this because it looks promising. So, I know I haven't posted in like days, weeks, months, and there's isa lang yung rason niya, and it is school is the reason kung mati ako makapag-post masyado because kailangan ko lang explain kung bakit nasira ng school yung buhay ko. Like, it's pretty much self-explanatory na. I'm gonna be using the Fashion 21 Loose Setting Powder. It also has SPF 50. And this is the shade 1. This is like a deeper banana powder. Which I'm shocked. Like, it looks so cute.
Watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash to the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shadow.
So, I'm actually leaving the house. So, ma-excite kayo because it's gonna be some good quality content. It's me dying outside for straight 15 minutes or less. I've been crying for the past almost 3 months. because
I have issues.
I wish I could be like Antonio Garza, no may Antonio Garza within issues or whatever. It's just I actually have issues, you know. And you know, I've been crying for the past almost 3 months, like weeks already. And it's because I deserve it. Okay naman siyang tignan. Like, hayaan mo siya. Dapat tinanggal. Now I'm gonna be testing out the Fashion 21 makeup setting spray. Sana wala itong alcohol. So, because it says hydrates, soothes, and prolongs makeup, leaving a dewy and oil-free effect. It still has alcohol. What the fuck? But the meaning of alcohol, so no big deal. So anyways, I'm gonna use this because I spent money on this. May amoy di maganda sa kanya. It smells like alcohol and makeup. You know, yung pag tagay pa and shit like that. It smells like that.
Song with the bing and the bong and the bing. One bing boo.